Here's the easiest way to remember how to make a margarita.
This one is actually for making a smoky margarita, or one with smoked limes first. So all I did was I smoked the limes for 45 minutes, sliced open on a rack at 250 degrees Fahrenheit in my Traeger smoker, and then I stored the lime juice in the fridge. One thing to note is that for the lime juice, you want to make sure to remove all the pulp, so put it through a sieve so you have no pulp to make your delicious margaritas. Okay, let me show you step by step how to make them.
You just need 3 ingredients and you can add equal parts of each. So add equal parts lime juice. This is smoked lime juice, but you could just use fresh lime juice. Use equal parts simple syrup, which is just water and sugar boiled together. And then add an equal part of tequila of your choice. And that is how you make a margarita the easy way. 3 ingredients, 1 part of each. Cheers!